Hello and welcome to this channel. This is Alex Balingit, founder and creator of Trading Circle Academy. Sa video na to, pag-uusapan naman natin ang isa sa mga laging tanong, why scalping is not advisable for beginners. Let's go! Ibig sabihin po natin, yung scalper ay type ng trader to kung saan nag-e-enter at nag-out or nag-e-exit sila from the market in small time frame lang. Na kumbaga maliliit na trades lang, mabilisang trades. Ganun lang. Ang risk dito, maliit ang take profit pero magnified naman yung stop loss. That's how it is. So medyo risky siya kasi kailangan mong medyo nakabantay talaga kay market dito kasi mabilis ang in and out nga lang ang scalping. So bakit nga ba hindi advisable ang scalping? Scalping exposes traders to a higher risk than a higher reward. Mas mataas po kasi ang risk ng scalping. We're trying to achieve financial and time freedom in forex trading kaya nga tayo nag-e-enter dito. So, can you achieve freedom when you're guarding your